An FDA panel voted to recommend emergency use authorization for the Moderna vaccine for kids between 6 months and 5 years old. Let's get right to NBC News senior medical correspondent Dr. John Torres now. Dr. John, talk to us about the significance of this decision. How critical is this move by that FDA panel?
And Aaron, this is significant because this is the one group of population that we haven't been able to protect as fully as we'd like to. We've always been talking about the children under the age of 5 who have not been able to get the vaccine, and they're the ones that remain vulnerable. Parents have made decisions not to go on vacations, not to do other things to try and protect their children. Well, it looks now like they're one step closer to getting that vaccine. And like you mentioned, Moderna is saying 6 months old to 5-year-olds are now, they said, this recommendation panel is saying, let's go ahead and push forward with a recommendation to the FDA commissioner, who we think will then sign off on it and go down the steps of getting an emergency use authorized and getting shots in the arms. But right now it's showing an effectiveness that's fairly low, 40 to 50%, but that's against symptomatic illness, not against death or high or severe illness or hospitalization, which we think is going to be much better and going to be basically equivalent to what's happening with adults. A protective vaccine that looks like it's going to get authorized, and hopefully soon here, Aaron.
So, Dr. John, based on what we've seen over the course of this pandemic, any sense of a timeline on this particular vaccine, when the little kids could actually get vaccinated?
It's going to be the same steps we've seen. So now the advisory committee said yes for Moderna. They're about to vote on the Pfizer one as well. By all indications, they'll say yes for that as well for these young children. Then the FDA commissioner will sign off on it, most likely by tomorrow. And then Friday and Saturday, the ACIP, the recommendation committee for the CDC, is going to go ahead and push forward with it and look at it. And if they go ahead and recommend it to the CDC director, then more than likely she'll sign off on it over the weekend. And come Monday, Tuesday timeframe, that's when we can start seeing shots in arms. The White House, Dr. Jha has already said that they are geared up and ready to start giving children vaccines. They just need this authorization, and once it's done, they'll be ready to go.
All right, Dr. John Torres with us today. Dr. John, thank you, sir.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.